Prepare your frame by removing the backing and any inserted items. I had this antique mirror that our movers were careless with and they broke the mirror apart. The frame is still amazing though, and I wanted to use it for something artistic. I chose to make a new backing using the old one as a template. This isn't necessary and you could just use the original backing, but I might want to change this later, so I wanted to make that as easy as possible. High five, future mandolin, I got you! I enjoy punching the cardboard. It's the little things. If you're like me and you almost always cut wobbly, you might want to check the fit of your backing before moving on. Trim up any places that need it. Now I'm tracing out the window of the frame so I can get a good idea of the actual workable surface on my new backing. I'm also making an ink mess, it would seem. Using floral foam blocks from Dollar Tree and some hot glue, I cover the majority of the space inside the line I just drew. After that is done, I check the fit with the frame and start shaving away excess foam to get a nice fit. I use some of the shaved off chunks to fill in the gaps in the foam. This doesn't need to be perfect. Secure the backing into the frame again at this point. I'm getting out all of my fake plants and moss to cover the foam. Some of these are from Dollar Tree. I will just pull them out of the little pots. Some are from places such as Joann's and Michael's, and a few of them I want to split into smaller bunches like so. Then I'm getting a rough idea of where I want to put things, using my wire trimmers to cut stems to the right length as I go. Asking my assistant Goliad if she approves. Very crucial step. Sometimes she kisses back. This time she was embarrassed because other cats might see it, I think. Now we start adding our moss to cover all the foam and the gaps. Any kind of preserved moss will work for this. Two things to note here. First, this is a terrible shot of what I'm doing. And second, if I ever do this again, I will put the moss on first. Live and learn, eh? Admire your new wall planter, full of easy to care for fake plants. Nice.